Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for another one of my 52 new restaurants in 2018. And today's new restaurant is a little place called North Turn. It's been there, I don't know, forever. It's been there forever and ever. It's on US 1, north of New Smyrna Beach, South Daytona. It's got a real race car type theme to it. It's a bar slash restaurant slash outside patio, live music at times. Real big biker hangout type deal, especially during bike week. It's just overwhelming. Like on the menu, it says during events, expect to wait at least an hour minimum, and well over that most times for food and whatnot. So yeah, definitely very popular for events. So walked in, there's like two different buildings out there, and there's like a weird parking lot and a weird thing. We weren't really sure where the restaurant side was. Walked in, finally found somebody and asked, do we, see it ourselves? Do we have to tell them we're here? What's going on? And also, is this even the restaurant side, or right, is there somewhere else? And she said, nope, stay where you want. So sat down, had a lady come by, and basically asked what we wanted for drinks, because it's more of a bar, not as much restaurant. And we're like, just water's fine, and we like some menus. She goes, yeah, I try to eat the drinks first. And I'm like, okay, no reason to be a shit about it. So went ahead and she went back, had to get menus, which part of my thought is just carry a menu with you, and then if we don't want it, carry it back over, but whatever. I went ahead, the place has just got that whole NASCAR type feel to it. There's the plastic flooring like you'd put in your garage. There's all kinds of auto parts on the ceiling and stuff, hoods from wrecked cars, tons of cool memorabilia for racing and stuff on the walls. Just came over, brought us a menu. It's one-sided, just there's some burgers, there's some steaks, whatnot. We decided to go with the 8-ounce prime rib burger and come with fries, and I was like, hey, cool, what the hell. We decided to split it. She seemed offended by that also, which who the hell knows. We actually left some fries on the tray because there was so much food. The prime rib was phenomenal. Oh my god, it was so good, and it literally is almost being ruined by the bread. But they did bring us out some Mizzou sauce, like basically dipping sauce we can dip our bread and stuff into, and it was so good. The fries were good. They weren't the greatest, but they were damn good. We were happy with them. But compared to that prime rib, they were nothing. The prime rib was phenomenal, very very good. I think it was like 12 bucks. It wasn't bad at all. It was probably $12 for the sandwich. Beautiful meal once we got it. And then we went ahead and we got completely finished eating. Didn't hear from her again the whole time. We were 100% done. And then basically we were like, at that time you're sitting around, you're like, okay, ready to pay my bill and go away. They still haven't brought me a check yet. So she finally came back over and asked ready for a check. And I said, yes. She wandered off, got the check, came back, dropped it off as they walk away. She said, I can take it whenever you're ready. And I'm like, I'm ready now, but like, what the hell? She wanders away. So I went ahead. Luckily, I had small enough bills. I was able to make the tip and all that figured out. Didn't have to get back any change. So I went ahead and left on the table and waved to her as I left, and we got out of there. So the food is phenomenal. The atmosphere is nice. Unfortunately, I turned the radio up, the jukebox for what they got going on. Wait till it was almost perfect level. You could still talk, you could still communicate, and then literally it was like, I don't know, probably halfway through a meal, it turned up so loud that we virtually stopped talking because all you could do is yell at each other across the table. Now, if we were sitting side by side, maybe we'd be able to communicate better. But I understand it's more of a bar theme than that. But I don't know, when I have to yell at you to tell you the fries are really good, like it seems like odd thing to have to yell at somebody. So went ahead today. That's my dog right there. He thinks he needs to be in this video, don't you? But went ahead. The food's phenomenal. The server we got was not very good. There was a couple other servers who think they were much better, but this one I think was just pissed off that I was not going to order a bunch of drinks and she was not going to get that big ticket to make the tip happen. So it is what it is. But very good food. Like I said, I definitely would go back and have that prime rib and just skip the bun and just eat the prime rib because you'd pay more than that for a chunk of prime rib in most places. So super happy with the food. So anyway, that's all I got for now. I will talk to you guys soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Get out there, try yourself someplace different, and you might find phenomenal food and crappy service, but it's still worth taking the risk. Have a good one.